Good morning, everyone. You say this shirt looks like a tablecloth? Well, thank you for noticing. Today, I'd like to walk you through a basic 6th grade assignment. How to fill in a Google Doc. It's gonna be a common assignment while we're still in distance learning. Here's a document that you're gonna fill out throughout the week where you start looking over some of the different topics that we're gonna be learning about this year. In this assignment, you're going to be filling out a Google Doc while you look at a Google slideshow. So I'm going to recommend that you split your screen so that you can see the Google slideshow at the same time as the Google Doc that you need to fill in. That way you can go back and forth between both of them and scroll and pick on what you need to look at. If we were using the textbook instead of a Google slideshow, I'd recommend the same. You could open up the book and be looking at the book on one side of your screen while filling out a document on the other side. One common type of question will be to fill in a box with an answer. So let's say in today's Google Doc it says, on what continent is Mesopotamia? To answer that question, all you have to do is type your answer in the box. But please don't put North America. That would indicate you didn't use the slides. You're still working on this question, on what continent is Mesopotamia? Type in Asia this time, but then you notice the box is really big. You can always take that box and make it a little bit smaller, or if you need more room, you could take it and make it a little bit bigger. Another common activity on a Google Doc this year will be to fill in the blank. So let's say you had the question, the Romans had a strong blank to fight and conquer. To fill in the blank, you just need to click on the blank and type in your answer. So maybe you think it's an army. You type that in. Then what you could do is you could go through and you could delete some of the extra spaces. But you might want to keep some there just to make it obvious that you did fill in that blank. Army. Another thing you could do is to make it obvious that you answered that question is you could take your word and you could simply change the color of it. It's obvious that you filled in the blank. Here's another type of question you might get. Web search. Find a picture of the Great Wall and paste it here. This type of question is simply asking you to do an image search. Find a picture of the Great Wall that you like. Maybe you like this one because it shows all the different watchtowers, and you're going to take it, you're going to select it, and then maybe pull it right into your Google Doc. If it seems really big and takes up a lot of room, go ahead and resize it a little bit so that fits right there in the box. If you're looking for your picture of the Great Wall, there's another way you can get it too. Go up to the top of your screen where it says Insert. Click on Insert, Image, and then search the web. Way over to the other side of your screen, it'll say Search for Images. Type in what you're searching for, and you can get some images right there. And you could go ahead and click on an image, and it will insert it into the document for you. You may need to resize it a little bit again if it's too big. Those are just some basic tips how to type in the box, fill in a blank, and find an image. If something doesn't seem right as you're working, remember, you can always stay on the meeting with Mr. Kirshen at the end of class and get some help. Hope you have a great day.